YouTube. This is Sayed Doctor once again, and like I said, I'll go to Chicago, and from eBay I got this defining moments John Cena, and with me is my cousin.
Hello, yeah, we're gonna be unboxing John Cena, the new box.
The defining moments, So let's unbox it.
It's available off eBay if you want.
But I got it in the cheapest price in eBay, $22.
Okay, so we're just gonna start unboxing the John Cena package, as you can see here. As you can see, we're just trying to open the box to see how it is.
Sorry, it's taking a long time. So this is my sister right here.
Yeah, so we're just trying to get it unboxed. Sorry for taking so long. Just getting the thing, it's kind of complicated. As you can see, we're just tearing it apart, getting it open.
Because I don't need the box.
Yeah, okay, so see, there's nothing inside this box you can see. So we'll just see this, we'll just show you the picture of how it's looking inside. It has two belts, the chainsaw for John Cena, and one he's wearing the whistle, orange shirt, and some shoes. Okay, so we're just gonna take them out now. Okay, so we're just gonna take John Cena out of the box.
You need the scissors.
Okay, so you guys can see we took out John Cena. So here's John Cena. Take him out. Take out the stuff. Take out the other stuff. I'll take it out.
This is the figure. It's nice. It comes with the hat. I love the head scan. It comes with that. Right there.
Okay, here's the belt.
Here is the chain. Now let's see how we take the shirt off.
Here's everything. Part of John Cena. You have this belt. Then you have the WWE Championship belt. Whoop! And then you have his chain. Okay. And then you have his hat. You have his whistle.
It's not a whistle.
It is a whistle.
It's his dog tag.
Why are you taking your shirt off? No, don't. Sam, don't. Don't.
Yeah, this is the figure.
Okay, so you guys can see this is the figure.
It's nice. I don't know how to take this shirt off.
No, you don't have to.
Sorry about the noise there. I'm trying to take this off. Just leave it. This is the figure. Not loose. That's lucky for me.
Huh?
The belts look pretty much rubbery, but it's nice, shiny, and the best belt of all. And the cool part is, it's the spinning U.S. Championship.
This is the WWE Championship.
Yep. It spins. And here's the chain. This chain, it's awesome. The hat and his dog tag. This figure will be for trade if you want it. And yep, we're trying to take off this shirt.
No, it's okay. It doesn't. Don't take it off. It don't come off. Okay, so it's how much more?
And this is Sayed Doctor once again, and I am out.